Okay, so the problem that my student had was 25 times 5 equals 205 is the answer that they got. So I think that what happened here is the teacher taught them a procedure of how to multiply, which is also how I was taught. So they started out as 5 times 5 equals 25, left the 5 down, carried the 2, and then when multiplying 5 times 2, they would get 10. And instead of adding the 2 like we would normally do, it looks like they multiplied it to get the answer of 20, which led them to the overall answer of 205. So I think either that this teacher didn't communicate effectively and explain to them that this problem has addition in the multiplication problem. It's not all multiplication. Either that or the student just had a little slip up, just totally forgot that it was addition and instead of multiplication, something I would have done at that age too. So what I have done is drawn up some base 10 blocks at the bottom, and this will help visually explain how a student would be able to understand this problem in pictures. So my problem in words is if there are 5 sections of 25 seats in a movie theater, how many total seats are in the theater? So I drew up 5 sections of 25 seats in each. So if I'm adding, it would be 25 plus 25, which is 50, plus 25 plus 25, which is also 50. So I would get an answer of 50, 50. This is how I would break up the problem personally, which would give me an answer of 100, and then an extra 25, which would be 125. So this could also be easily multiplied again, like how the student did, or you could just do 25 plus 25 plus 25. Oh my goodness. And just added like that, or the student could even add every single block that they see in the picture, which would then lead them to the overall answer of 125 seats. Oh, my handwriting is so pretty. And that is the final answer.